In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pair a KC03 smartwatch with a phone. Okay. Go to BLE Assistant. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is to make sure that the Bluetooth on the phone is turned on. Okay, so turn Bluetooth on. Okay, the next thing you need to do is go to Find Phone, Allow. Now go to Bluetooth. Okay, so as you can see the phone detected it, so just go to KC03. Go to pair on the watch. Go to pair. And there you go. The smartwatch is paired. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video. And thank you for tuning in.